皆さん、こんにちは。Hello everyone. I'm Japanese teacher Leo. Yes, today I'm gonna talking about woman style of Japanese. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Woman style of Japanese. In Japanese, when you speak, change your image. Yes. Some expressions. Soft, elegant, cute, and feminine. Yes, today I'll explain this expression. だわよ。かしら ?something よねうち、私、あたし。Yes. Well, let's get started. First, 私、あたし、うち。Yeah, in Japanese, this meaning is all of I. Yes, for female often use it. Yes. First, 私 This is the first word in very common. Actually, men and women both use that word for 私. Yes, so, for example, 私は日本語を勉強しています。That means I study Japanese. Yes. Yeah. Actually, it is natural and polite expression is 私. You can use it in any situation. Okay? Next expression is 私. Yeah, this is a casual and cute. Yeah, it is used with friends. For example, 私今日暇だよ。私今日暇だよ。That means I'm free today. Yeah. It sounds soft and friendly. Yes. Next expression is うち. This is common in Kansai and among with young women. For example, うち学校に行ったよ。うち学校に行ったよ。That means I went to school. Yes, it sounds casual and energetic. Yes. Alright. Next expression is そうよ。That means yes, that's right. Yeah. But it sounds soft and feminine. For example, これ、おいしいそうよ。That means, is it tasty? Yes, that's right. Yeah. そうよ。Please use it. Alright. That sounds gentle and feminine. Alright. Third expression is something だわよ. Something だわよ. Yes, it sounds more elegant, feminine, mature, a little bit dramatic. Yes. For example, これおいしいだわよ。おいしいんだわよ。おいしいんだわよ. Yes. That meaning is it's tasty. Yeah. Yeah. In daily life, it's recently sometimes hard to listen about だわよ, but females often use it だわよ. Yes, please use it. Alright. Next expression is something かしら? Yeah. It means I wonder, maybe. Example. 雨が降るかしら? 雨が降るかしら? That means I wonder if it will rainy. I wonder if it is will rainy. Yeah. It sounds polite and elegant. 何々かしら? Well, Let's go next. Next expression is something よね? Yeah, it means right, isn't it? In it? Yeah, example. 今日寒いよね. 今日寒いよね. That means today is cold, right? Yeah, it's used to show agreement. Very natural. Yeah. Well, that's all. Well, let's summarize. Yeah. First one, 私? Yeah, that's safe and polite and very common. 私 is casual and cute. Yeah. Uchi is also casual and energetic. Yeah. Sad. そうよ. So is like sounds agreement. Yeah, and also だわよ is elegant. かしら gentle. I wonder. Yeah, something よね is completely agreement. Yeah, your speaking style gotta change your image. Yeah. Well, Japanese is not only grammar. It's also about personality and style. Try using these expressions in real life. Well, thank you for watching my video. Right now, I'm offering Japanese lesson. And I'm offering a coaching program which is Japanese. So please check it out in my description. Well, right now, I'm offering 50% discount for coaching program. So please definitely check it out if you want to. Then 今日の動画見てくれてありがとうございました。Thank you for watching my video. また次の動画でお会いしましょう。See you in the next video. Bye bye.